If you're seeing the ECBILS0 error in the Epic Game Store, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix that can solve the issue for a lot of users in just a few minutes. This error is often related to your network settings or cache DNS data, so we're going to reset and refresh those settings step by step. Make sure you follow along carefully, and if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Network Connections window. To do that, press the Windows key and R at the same time, type ncpa.cpl and then press Enter. This will bring up all of your network adapters on one screen. Now find the connection you're actively using, whether that's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Once you locate it, right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, look through the list until you find Internet Protocol version 4, also known as TCP/IPv4. Double-click on it to open the settings. This is where we're going to change your DNS servers manually, which often helps fix connection problems with Epic Games and other online services. Now select the option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. Once that's enabled, enter the Google DNS values exactly as shown. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. These public DNS servers can help resolve network lookup issues and remove bad routing or DNS-related blocks that may be causing the Epic Game Store error. After entering the values, click OK and then click OK again to save and apply the changes. At this point, your computer has a new DNS configuration, but we're not done yet. The next step is to clear your local DNS cache, because sometimes your PC keeps outdated network information that can continue causing the same error even after changing settings. To do that, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. That means your local network cache has been cleared. Now close the command window completely. The final step is very important. Restart your PC. A restart helps Windows fully apply the new DNS settings and clears any temporary network glitches still running in the background. Once your computer turns back on, open the Epic Games Store again and check if the ECBILS0 error is gone. If the error was caused by DNS or cache network data, this fix should give you a much cleaner connection and help Epic Games load properly again. If it still doesn't work right away, give it another try after the restart and make sure you enter the DNS numbers exactly correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the ECBILS0 error in Epic Game Store using a manual DNS change and a DNS cache flush. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides, Windows fixes, and gaming help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.